Make sure you practice putting them on before you actually need to use them. And make sure you have gloves because your hands, they get cold.
Up your package, you'd lay it down on the ground. If it's a rear wheel drive, you'd put it on the rear wheels like this Tesla, or if it's a front wheel drive, you put it on your front wheels. An example for this Tesla, it's a rear wheel drive. We have it set up for the rear wheels. So as we've now aligned it with the rear wheel, as you can see, we will wrap, the blue part goes on the inside of the tire. You wrap it in behind the tire and you go around the tire like this. The other part of the chain will be hanging right here. You're gonna wanna grab that part of the chain. And when you grab that part of the chain, you're gonna swing it over in front of the tire. Some chains are not all like this style. This is specifically meant for Teslas. You would put this part in here and you would pull it tight and it will lock. This part here will pull in front of the tire. It has a different chain color. You will hook it up with the red, and this would go here and you will adjust it accordingly. And your chains are now on.
Remember, all tire chains are different, so make sure to read your manual.